Welcome to Otisam Mathematics. In this video, we are given m plus n minus r is equal to 2 on 3 and m plus n plus r is also equal to 9 on 2. We are to find 2m squared plus 2n squared plus 4mn minus 2r squared. Okay, let's see how we are going to do this. Now, this is a question in algebra. Now, let's figure out something here. We have m plus n, and then m plus n2 is here. So, and then this is n, then this is minus, and then this is plus. Okay, let's group this one so that we have m plus n in bracket minus r is equal to 2 on 3. Then the second one will also be m plus n plus r is equal to 9 on 2. Now, looking at this expression carefully, realize that when we multiply them, it's going to be difference of 2 squares. So let's label this one as equation 1, and this is equation 2. So equation 1 times equation 2. Let's see what will happen. So we are going to have m plus n minus r times m plus n plus r is equal to 2 on 3 times 9 on 2. On the right hand side, 2 will cancel 2, and then 3 will go into 9 3 times. So we have m plus n minus r times m plus n plus r, which is equal to 3. Now, from algebraic identities, a plus b times a minus b is equal to, that's difference of 2 squared, a squared minus b squared. Now, let's go back to the expression that we have here. So we are going to have, using difference of 2 squares, we are going to have m plus n all squared minus r squared, which is equal to 3. Now, let's expand this one. So we have m squared plus 2mn plus n squared minus r squared is equal to 3. Okay, now let's go back to the question. We want to find 2m squared plus 2n squared plus 4mn minus 2r squared. So here, let's rearrange them, which is m squared plus n squared plus 2mn minus r squared is equal to 3. Now, looking at this expression, this one, and then this, to get this expression, we can multiply this one by 2. So let's multiply by 2. So we have 2 by this is m squared, and 2 by n, we have n squared plus 2 times 2mn, and then we have 2r squared. So whatever we do on the left hand side, we have to do the same thing on the right hand side. So we have 2 times 3. So this implies that 2m squared plus 2n squared plus 4mn minus 2r squared is equal to 6. So that is the answer. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. I appreciate your time. If you are watching me for the first time and you want more of this video, kindly click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification button so that anytime I load a video, wherever you are, you'll be alerted. Bye.